Today we're going to explore baby animals. Cat. This is a cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kitten. Duck. This is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Duckling. This is a cute rabbit. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Bunny. A horse. This is a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Foal. Cow. This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Calf. A pig. This is a cute pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglet. A dog. This is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. A puppy. Sheep. This is a sheep. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Lamb. Deer. This is a deer. Baby deer is called a fawn. Fawn. Chicken. This is called a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chick.